Imagine being able to create clean, summarized spreadsheets in minutes without having to manually sift through rows and columns of data. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make that happen using two powerful Excel functions: sum, if or countif in the index match formula. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to quickly create summary sheets that save you tons of time and effort. Stick with me because once you learn this, your Excel game will be on a whole new level.
So here we have a data of wooden doors, total 206 doors in the sheet. Now we want to summarize that sheet. There are different columns having the annotation, size, type, shutter, and status, and other details of doors. But we want a summarized sheet of total number of doors. Like we want to see that how many D2s are present in whole data, how many D3A, and different doors present in this data. For that summarized sheet, simply create a new sheet, rename it to this summarized sheet or whatever you want. Right now, go to the data you want to select. I want to select annotation, so simply I will select all the column. Control C, copy, and Alt H, Z, paste. I paste only the text, not other things, not the formatting and any other thing, right? So so all the annotations are copied. So now we have to remove the duplicate values. For that, simply select the data and press shortcut Alt AM. What is this? Remove duplicates, and where it locates in a data tab. Under data tools, and this is the option for removing duplicates, right? Remove duplicates. Okay, 203 duplicates are found and 14 unique items remains, right? Duplicates removed. Okay, so these are our unique door annotations. Now we want to see their size, their type, and shutter, 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 and total number of doors. Right? Add HOI. So first column will go for serial number, right? 1, enter. It equals to 1 plus this and simple in there. Right, now we have to write the size over here. For manually writing the size, it will take many times. So now for size, type, and shutter, we will use the index match formula to fill automatically all the size, types, and shutters. Index formula, select the array. I am selecting whole columns, right? All columns. This is important. And fix it by pressing F4. After fixing, comma, row number. For row number, we will use match formula, right? Now, what is the lookup value? Lookup value is this D2. Now, comma, lookup array. From where I get D2? I will get D2 from C column, right? And fix it. Okay, comma, 0. Exact match. I want exact match, right? Close the bracket for match, and for index I have to define a row number, right? Here I select 4 columns and many rows, right? 4 columns. So where my size is located, close that. Okay, my size is located in that array is second number. Okay, comma 2. Close the bracket, enter. So our size is here. Now simply fill that. Now for type, shutter, and door numbers, it will simply fill that data. It will simply fill that data or copy this into type and shutter. Control R. So it will give a not available error because of two reasons. First of all, the summarized sheet in math formula, lookup value is changed. Lookup value is D2. right? We want to fix this column, this whole column, right? So simply in first formula, fix that by putting a dollar sign before B column number, you may say, right? And second thing is this 2. Why we put 2 here? Because in array, in index array C, D, E, F, in this array, size is present at second column, at second place, at second column, you may say, or second place, at second place. So therefore we write second or 2 here. But type is present at the location of 3 and shutter at 4. So simply instead of writing 2 directly here, you may change it every time or may write column formula. Column, give the B column second, because you want to you have to select the second column for getting 2 here, right? So simply bracket close, enter, right? Now you simply fill that data, control R and control D, right? And adjust the width, right? So the data which is present in this sheet is simply manipulated here. Now the other thing is number of doors. What are the total number of doors? So here you can use the sum formula, Sumif formula or Countif formula. For using Sumif formula, you must have a number of doors. Like suppose you must have a column here having numbers, right, and written 1 everywhere. So if you don't have that, so we simply use count formula, because it is single. Multipurpose hall having a single door, multipurpose hall bath have a single door, right? So simply equals to count if formula, right? What is the range? What is the range of counting? So range is this whole column you may select, right? You have to select whole column. Sorry. Here range is the whole column. This one. This is the whole column, comma, and criteria is this. This is the criteria annotation D2. So how many D2s will be count? So there is 30 D2. There are 30 D2, right? So simply fill that data and sum here. So total sum is 206, and here how many doors are present? 206, right? So in this way you simply create a summarized sheet. Now after this you change it into control T tables, right? Or formatting you want to, like what type of formatting you have to place. So simply format data according to that. Now see another example where the sum formula is used. Here is a simple entries. Here is a simple one entries. If there are number of entries, like in this you see there are 3 bar doors with different types. So if there is only one entry, these 2 entries are missing, and in numbers total multipurpose hall doors 3 are written. Then we will use sum if formula. So how we use sum if formula? So simply I have this mockup file, and I have this mockup file in which we want to create summarized sheet on the basis of manhole cover type. On the basis of cover type, we want to see how many cast iron with in respect of their sizes. We want to see RCC cover in respect of their size. We want UPVC cover in respect of their size. So simply create a new sheet, rename it whatever you want, or right click, or the other way is right click or rename, right? And rename it whatever you like. So simply select whole data, all types of covers, control C, and paste it over here, Alt H V V, for simply pasting values. we don't, some values you may say, or simple text. We don't want formatting, so simply you may select from here these paste values, or simply Alt H VV is the shortcut. After that, use a shortcut Alt AM, or go to data tab, or remove duplicates. Right, remove duplicates here. So 13 duplicates removed, only 6 uniques are remain. Okay, these 6 are remaining. So here we write material or whatever you want. Material, serial number. Serial number is 1, enter 1 plus this, right? Simply index. Now we have the manhole covers, and we want the quantities in the second column. We want only quantities, QUA and QTY quantities. So we only want quantities. For the quantities, we will use the Sumif formula equals to Sumif, right? So range, we have 3 inputs: range, criteria, sum range. So range will be the column which containing the criteria, which containing our criteria. So simply first select the range. So our range is this data, which containing our criteria. Fix it, comma, and our criteria will be this, comma, and our quantities are there. Sum range or quantities are our the sum range. So fix it as well and press enter. Drag it down and in last submit. So in this way you can create your summarized sheet. So here is 220 total items, your quantities. Here is also 220 quantities. So in this way you can create your summarized sheet in minutes. In next video, I will discuss data validation for summary sheet, or quickly inspect your entries. So subscribe for the next video. So this is all for today. Thank you. See you in next video.